ye point ye no ye da form ka baako say na wo hu game ni fire na den na wo su se ha kotoko enti oba Transport Stadium a enema nkoye but okoye we ya ye hu se performance no different den na wo betimi aka kire etiefo a omanya kwan ba Transport Stadium
Yamini ameda se say ya board ya ne ya behwe de abawie no kure ne nyame anim no ensem bebre wa kira ese eno ya kana bonten a enye yie but wo he ball su course a say enne kodoko flop no nyina was eno my course a boys ne bebre at a time just about 4-5 players omu nyina they were not performing and expert say technical team no betimi 1-on-1 omu yi 1-2-3 but tun say do point bia that the first and then the second no mumie no nyina no they were confused. Friends and assistant coach and then special Eddie. Omuya ni nomu hudu omuya. Omukoye changes ya akwa situation. To me you have form of videos management say it's not too late. They say at from technical is totally out. It's your best wrong. Say your coach is one day anya dia on bet my boy. And when management and compare coaches are sorry oma being on bet my handle club on their mind. You should ice gold or anyone ice gold. I'm not more call working and buyer. Not normal flopping. Now it was on technical issues, but omunya good technical bench, you know. He did in a course of first second match. You know, so many goals. It must some management and form margin and to form. No muhu anymore because I yes sir. Ya course maintain the course ya Edo have a break and Webra Santa Corco.
Mr. Zeus may bisa say na Osha Kotoko ya homeboy and soon for Africa.
Many and I focus, near totally prepared. What if you're calling management? Anybody, it will raise fans. It will chatter the whole plane. Any teams you call Mauritania. That means Kotoko was fully prepared. They were totally prepared, but in between them, no, you knew at the Kodia, a Kobaya, Nina border on Technica. Now Sunday, Omumaya who say, Samaswa Kran Niwa. That means be an lapses 1 or 2 beer. Johnson Smith, tries bridge that gap. But unfortunately, and Nadia Kosomia who said, Jumano Esusino. So that's here. For preparing there from board point of view, from management point of view, the team was totally prepared. But eventually, a technical bench in Omadisa Point Club.
Mr. Zeus, that's in a moment, a best dresser, young fan by one type team. If you say, who's a muko away, a young performance, no, Ebia or any mukakra, Ebia and Yamia, they are called Omduman, no Marco.
And soon Yamia, I know Yamibet Massan and no more.
Medasi.